how to add JavaScript onto your Wix.com site. So if I show you here, for example, if I go to design my site and I try to add a section, oh, I misclicked. Let that load again. All right, now that it loaded again. So for example, here I want to add an element, and there is an embed element here, but that's not what you're looking for. It's code related, but it's not JavaScript. So you can't add JavaScript from your design site feature. So how do you do it? So first off, you want to go back onto your Wix dashboard. So in the dashboard here, let's load, and then you'd actually want to go onto settings. And on settings, you'll see a bunch of stuff here, but don't pay attention to this. Just scroll down and go to advanced. And this is the thing you're looking for, custom code. So with this, with custom JavaScript, you can maybe add things like a live chat. So you can provide live support to anyone who's visiting to your site. So if I press this, unfortunately, I can't show you exactly how you can add a custom code here because I don't have it upgraded and I don't have a domain. But if you do, you just see a UI that'll let you add in code to your header or to your body of your site, and it'll allow you to add things cool like a custom chat or maybe like something else that needs JavaScript, maybe like progressive loading or something like that. So this is how you add a custom code onto Wix.com. Make sure you have a professional plan and you also have a domain ready to connect.